Morning guys, how you all doing? So Dan from Trading with Dan here. So happy halving day guys. It is the halving is here. It's Bitcoin's Olympics Day. Every 4 years. So the block rewards are going to be get cut in half. So we'll go straight over to the charts. So yeah, as you can see, 10 hours, 8 minutes, 50 seconds until the halving. So over to the our Bitcoin levels chart. This is the main one we're looking at for the daily analysis. So what we're looking at the moment is we've got an area here that we're in, and that you can clearly see we're basically trying to break down through this support level. But obviously the longer we don't break through, the more chance we've got of then reversing this down move and getting back up, maybe around to the 9,100 level first. But obviously we do have to watch the price action here, because if we do break and close at least a 4 hour under this level, I think that will definitely signal a continuation move down to around 8,000. But we have got some, I call them nice wicks. We've got some basically rejection wicks in this area, which show that price is getting rejected from the area, and obviously this wick is a higher low than this one as well, which is also a good sign. But yeah, so we are currently pushing into we tried to push in below 8,600 not too long ago, but now we're just above it. So yeah, if we can hold our level here, I think at least, even if we are going to see more downside overall, I think we are looking at a rally at least to the top of this zone to the 9,100 level, and then we can play it level by level on the way back up from there. I am cognizant of the fact we could be starting to paint a sort of head and shoulders pattern, which obviously isn't ideal if you want obviously the price to go up. But yeah, head and shoulders reversal. I mean, you can play it and make money, obviously. So there's always that aspect of it. But yeah, if you look at the stochastics here on the 4 hour, this here, you can see that we are maybe looking at a move back up. RSI still looking a bit weak. We go over to the 12 hour. Yeah, 12 hour moving down still in the stochastics, and then yeah, the RSI down as well. But we're getting to a point where we could maybe see a bit of a retrace. We'll just have to see how it plays out. 12 hour chart is still looking pretty bearish, but we have come down and tested the 200 on the 12 hour a couple of times, but we are at the moment pinned between 250 with a fastly declining downward sloping 21. So that isn't the most bullish, the bullish looking scenario. But here, if we go to the daily, we have got upward sloping 200, upward sloping 50, which we have tested, and we also did get the golden cross here, where you can see down here on the 50, the 50 and the 200. So we are in a bullish posture. Larger time frame, this could definitely turn out to be a great buying opportunity as we test back these bigger, larger time frame moving averages and move up. And then we'll just have a quick look at the weekly. This candlestick analysis. This is one of the more bearish signals that we have. We broke above the 200 week. We had an indecision candle, and now we're back below the 200 week. So you would, on a weekly scale, taken out the low of this candle next week. Obviously it's early this week, so we've got to see where this candle closes. But if it closes around here, maybe up here, down there, however the candle looks, as long as it's not above this one here, as long as it doesn't close higher than 10,100 ish, then if we take out the low of that weekly candle next week, we will be looking at a potential move downwards definitely in this larger time frame. Monthly still looks good though. I mean, it's an indecision candle, but we're still pretty high up compared to the candle before, so that doesn't look too bad. So yeah, so back to the 4 hour chart. So again, we are hugging this level. If we don't basically break through, there are sellers, the people selling in this market. If these bears don't get paid, they're going to cover their shorts and potentially get squeezed. And then I think we will definitely see 9,100. And if that is the case, if bears get squeezed, I think we will be looking at that point. I don't want to just say we're definitely going to see this level regardless, but yeah, if bears get squeezed, I think we will make our way up to the top of this level. But we could be looking at some sort of head and shoulders action playing out over the next few days. So yeah, that's the analysis for today. So remember, it's not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research. Hit the like button if you like this analysis, and subscribe if you want more. And I will speak to you guys soon.